What's your name?
My name is Javier.
How old are you?
I'm 6.
What color are your eyes?
I got brown eyes.
And your hair?
I got brown hair.
How are you?
I'm sick, thirsty.
What do you like?
I like a soup.
What do you love?
I love pizza.
What do you not like?
I don't like eggs.
What shape and color is this?
Orange circle. Orange.
What color is this and shape?
It's a blue rectangle